What's going on, YouTube? I want to just make this quick video to show you guys what I got brand new for the truck. So I wanted to show you guys. I got this thing installed. What was it, yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. I was at Best Buy in Pinot, and I got this thing installed there. Now let me show you guys what I got. Okay, so I got a, hold on a second. All right, so this is what I got. I got a brand new remote start for the truck. Like I said, I just got it installed from Best Buy in Pinot. The guy there, the technician there, I think did an awesome job at installing it. So the installation was pretty clean. I don't see anything hanging from underneath here. So he tucked it in pretty good. Now this alarm right here, it's a Compustar. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a CSX 4905S-KIT. Now this comes with the drone mobile for your phone. Now I can show you guys the key fob right now. So this one right here, you kind of have to have it as an extra, so they couldn't, you know, put it on the key fob for the truck. So this is something that you had to carry as an extra. Now I've tested it several times already. It works great. Now this one has, it says a range of 3,000 feet. I haven't tested that you know, that distance, but from inside the house it works great. I'm gonna test it later on at work. I'm trying to start it at work with the key fob. Now this thing also comes, like I said, like I mentioned, with the drone mobile. It works with your phone, but you need a subscription to make it work. Now it comes with I think a 30-day trial, so you could test it out. I can show you guys that later, how it works. But you know, you could, you know, unlock your car. You could start it. You can find out like what the temperature inside the truck is, all in the app. So it's a neat feature that I look forward to using. Now they have like I said, a subscription plan, and it has like different levels. But you know, for my use, I would probably just use it for the basic subscription. Like I said, you guys can check them out. Now, you know, just a disclaimer, I'm not getting paid to do this. This is just something I'm showing you guys that I got for the truck. And so, you know, if you guys are looking for a remote start, you know, I just highly recommend this one. It works great. It works great. So let's test it out. Now I have the door open. You guys can see. And let's see if this would work. So you hold this down until that light starts blinking. Starts up the truck. And if you want to turn it off, you just hold it down again for another 5 seconds. Then it turns off. A couple of things that the technician told me was if the hood was open, it would not start. So if you're trying to remote start it with the hood open, let's say you were working under the hood, it's not gonna work. So he said it's a safety feature, and you know, I think that's pretty good to have. Now that's about it, but I'll show you guys the app that I use. You can download it for an iPhone or Android. That drone mobile, and show you guys how to use that. But overall, like I said, it's a great remote start. You know, if you guys live in extreme weather conditions or whatever, and you want to warm up the car before you get in it, or you want to cool the truck during summer, I think it's another great feature to have. I wish it came with the truck, you know, being that this is a limited edition. Unfortunately, that's not what Toyota did, so this is something extra that I had to get. Now let me talk about the price. So on this one, I'll show you guys a link at Best Buy, and right now at Best Buy, I think this model is going for $599. Installation is free. It comes with a T-harness. It came with a T-harness for my truck, so the technician really didn't have to splice any wires to get this thing installed. So the T-harness made the installation a lot cleaner. Now another thing that comes with it is a tilt ball bearing switch. I'm not sure if that's something that was installed or not, but I know it was on the order page when I bought it at Best Buy. Now just a tip though, I would wait for it to go on sale. So the Compustar 4905S, I think the regular one has like 2 key fobs, but it doesn't have that drone mobile device. So I think that one goes on sale for about $249. But I was reading people's comments on Slick Deals, and you know, those people that got that, they kind of wish they had this kit instead. So this kit right here, when it went on sale, when I bought it was for $299. So right now regular price is $599 at Best Buy, and so yeah, I mean, I would just wait for it to go back on sale. Like I said, installation is free. Only thing is the installation is about, you know, 3 weeks out, depending, I guess, where you guys live or how many Best Buy there is. But yeah, I bought this a few weeks ago, and I just got it installed the other day. So I'll put a link of that at the bottom so you guys can check it out. But all right guys, that's it. That's all I had to show you guys for today. All right.